Baby, we can talk all night, but that ain't getting us nowhere. The snow is really piling up outside. I wish you wouldn't make me leave here. I poured it on and I poured it out. I tried to show you just how much I cared. I'm tired of words and I'm too hoarse to shout. But you've been cold to me so long, I'm crying icicles instead of tears. And all I can do is keep on telling you, I want you, I need you, but there ain't no way I'm ever gonna love you. Now don't be sad, don't be sad. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Nah. Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I am Natasha. And today, what's our Ojibwe word of the day? I think our Ojibwe word of the day, muka sunrise. Well, it's not even sunrise, really. It's like super sunny, zagate. But that was our word yesterday. I know, we should have talked about a good word of the day. The lighting just is great. I know, I love it. Okay, so today's Ojibwe word of the day, Debwewin, truth. Oh, okay. Yeah, why not? Debwewin, truth. Truth! And, when you see the truth, and you try to, and, I'm not sure how much I want to get into this, but for people who don't see the truth, when you see the truth and you tell them that they've been lied to, that they're believing they're not seeing the truth, they're going to think you're crazy. That's the weird thing. And that's why truth is so important in the 7 Anishinaabe values. The grandfather teachings, they called it, huh? Yeah. All right, Debwewin, truth. Debwewin. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Giga Waba Min. Minawa. Hoa. Hoa. All right. Should we see what that looks like? Yeah. Shed a tear 'cause I'm missing you. Still alright to smile. Girl, I think about you every day now. Was a time when I wasn't sure, but you set my mind at ease. Girl, you're in my heart now, na 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 na. Sad woman, take it slow now. All right, take 2. Take 2. You gonna pull out the guitar? Oh, I was thinking maybe you wanna do a little. What were you singing there? Patience. Yeah. La 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 la. Just a little patience, yeah. Just a little patience, yeah. Just a little. Oh, I've been walking the streets tonight. hard to see with so many around. You know I don't like being stuck in the crowd, and the streets don't change, but maybe today I ain't got time for the game, 'cause I need you. Yeah, well I need you. Ooh, I need you. Oh, I need you. Ooh, this time. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show.